Yo, this is your boy Charles Polk here, cutting another video. I want you to pay attention here. Club, cash, fun. This program is different. You don't need no stamps. You don't need no envelopes. You don't need no leads. There, you hear me? You don't need none of that stuff. No stamps, no envelopes, no leads. Because the owner does the mailing out for you. All you got to do is position yourself to get a free kit. Are you willing to get a free kit? To position yourself. Get the kit. Even if you don't have the money up front, just get the kit. Put your information in the system so you get your free kit. So he's going to send you your kit so you can pay any time when you get the money. Just get the kit and read over the information for yourself. Because this thing works. It's real. It's a whole lot of people in this program with me that's making cash. Cash is coming in the mail. You hear me? Club, cash, fun. And listen. I'm with 30-Day Success Formula 2. I'm still with them. That company's another one advertised for you. All you have to do is position yourself to a level. You know what I'm saying? 30-Day Success Formula, you get paid on 2 levels. Hey, you get paid on what the company sending letters out. And then how many people come in? And then them same people that came in under you, the company sending them letters. You might get 2 people, 10 people come in. That's 2,000 letters. So that's 2,000 people. That's 30-Day Success Formula, but forget that. Right here, do you want to make $20 over and over again? Daily. This is what you can do here. With Club, Cash, Fun. Daily. Use somebody that like to collect $20. Daily. Every day. Every day. You know, get your kit. Link will be on the bottom of this page. But I'm talking too much right now, but let me show you some stuff. Let me show it to you. That I do got my starter kit. I do got my starter kit. Alright, here we go. Let me open this thing up. I'm talking a little bit too much here. Wasting my time. But time is money. That's why I got enough time to show you what's going on. Showing you what you get in your back office. So here's my back office right here. Okay? Everything is zero. I'm fresh. Everything is zero. I'm fresh. Fresh new now. Alright? This is my brother, Kevin Johnson, my sponsor that I came under. He just cut the video. I just recorded a video of him where he just made $180. Look at my Facebook page, you'll see it. But this program does make money. I mean, the owner of this program help you make money. But you got to help yourself too. By buying traffic. By telling many people that you can. This right here, Martin Lawrence. Best Easy Work. I'm with that company too. You know? Well, but it's alright, but my link, I put my link in Best Easy Work too. Because Best Easy Work is another program that got different, multiple income streams inside of it. And that's a free system. Free members get paid when people upgrade in Best Easy Work. Alright, nevertheless, here we go. Let's go through this. Sales. I ain't got none, zero. Team. I ain't got no team yet. And I ain't got no kicks yet. No kits yet. Leads. No leads found. Marketing. This is a marketing system. Okay. This is for cash. Cash fund. This is traffic. You get traffic. You get swipes. You get email swipes, you get farm codes. Okay? I'm trying to see if I can scroll down here. And you get banners. This is for Cash Fun. Cash Club Fun. This is high quality traffic. This is what they give you. Now they got another part was a pro. You can't get this because this program was over September 14th of this month. That's the upgrades that they had. You be able to get flyers, postcards, more websites, and more stuff. But nevertheless, you know, it's played out. It's right here. See, this is the pro moment. See? Not actor. These programs. I think this is, if you came in this, the pro, I think this was 150. This was 400. This one here was 7. This one here was 1,000. See the type of money that you could have been making with this man? Why, he's sending out the postcards for you? Man, nevertheless, man. These are products. These are 2 products that Club Class Fun allow you to have. These are what I was telling you about the traffic on that side. Right here, the pro. I try to click on it. You can't even click on it. Can't even click on it. You can't even get into it. You know, it's a done deal. It's a done deal. Right here. See it? How it's set up. Yeah, videos behind it. The videos ain't clicking in right now. You know, but it's alright, you know. Doesn't matter. It's closed. It's closed. The pro is closed. The pro is closed. So, I got to my site, you know. It's the website. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you, you know, what I be. Same thing you're going to get. You just come in, just copy and paste. Get rid of this real quick. Real fast. So I can do this for you. This should be a link to your website. This is the website here. This is the website. This is the first page that people get to the website. Alright. Let's see if I can go back. This is the link that they give you to share to get your kit. Get your kit. This is one to get your kit. Yeah. I think I probably, my 3rd video, I think I will make a video of this one. You know, about getting your kit. But I ain't got to do it. I'm making a video now. This video right here, my 2nd video. You know. I would play it for you, but I don't think I had enough time to play it. Show it to you. But you can do that because you have the access to it. But this is what I want to show you something too. Look at this crazy crap here, man. Woohoo! Always some stuff want to pop in when you don't want it to. But it's alright though. You still making money. I got 55 seconds here coming at you. And with this right here, you can send your cash in the mail, or you can get with John and you got a cash app. Excuse me, cash app. But I set my $100 in the envelope that what he give me come in the mail. It came in May the 6th. I had it that long, and I just sent it off. I think around the 1st of the month. I think I sent it off around the 1st of the month. And the 4th, he had my money, had my website set up. Down in Florida. He was caught up in the storm. I mean, you know, But it still got my business. It still went through. Gosh, he got through. So, now here we go. I'm scrolling down here. These are steps. Step 1. Listen to this call. It's a 24/7 call. 24. Just listen to it. Tells you about the business, how you get paid and everything. Now this is the kit that I've been telling you to do. Get your kit. Get your starter kit. Get your starter kit. My name is Charles Pope. You see it? I'm real and I'm legit. Whoever you come in, make sure you honor the right sponsor. Okay? And this page right here, when you do this page, don't come out. Don't come out. Because you might lose this page. You might run up on somebody else's site. When you get ready to fill it out, just fill it out. You ain't got to pay nothing. Just put your information in there. And get your free kit. The faster you get your kit, the faster you'll be able to set your income up. And I'm going to tell you just like it is, you know? And it's real. It's real. You know? You come in and you join, I'm going to set you up with the Facebook groups and all that. That way you can see how many people is on our team that's making this thing happen. It's making this happen. Alright? So nevertheless, I'm going to holler at you. This is your boy Charles Pope, trying to get everybody's attention with this club class form. The faster you get your free kit, the fast you can start making money. Get your kit, even if you don't even have the money. Point blank. You see how serious the owner is. So when you put your information in, the next day, your kit's in the mail. Trust me, it's in the mail. He's real. He's about helping people making money. You know? All right. Hope I got somebody's attention with the club class form. All right? And I'm here on my way out. Hoping the next time you see me on the home page here, I have some numbers where these zeros at. Hope I will where these zeros at. Alright? How? God bless you. Get in, man. Get in. This is something that you can't lose. You'll be sorry that you didn't get in the long run. Apply for your free kit. The link will be on the bottom of this page somewhere. Alright? God bless you. Let's get paid. Alright.